our medical response to everybody, to every kind of injury suffered by now with the people can adequately be met by government at this time.
Yes, sir.
No problem about the money,
Wala po, sir.
no problem about medications.
Wala po, sir.
Dugo, meron.
Meron po tayong Red Cross, meron po tayong blood banks, and they're adequate, Mr. President.
Ito tayo dahil nga to make the assessment na ang mga naging effect ng lindol last 2 days ago. So we will, can I have the brief? Sige, to begin with, mag-ano muna tayo, we'll get the reports from the different agencies on their particular yung mga areas nila. So, Gov Pam, siguro, you can start with the